Hello students, today we are coming to learn about a new topic. We are coming to learn about how to round up numbers to, let's say, a particular number of decimal places. So if we should take into example, let's say if I have 4.359728. Now this 4 is the whole number. So we have 4 points. The rest of this makes it what? A decimal number now. So 4.3, this is our first decimal place. The 5 is our second decimal place. The 9 is our third decimal place. Now, we are going to consider a situation where we have these numbers on the number line. Where we have from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Now, any number that is greater than 5 or equal to 5 is closer to this, and we add 1 to it. And any number which is closer to the left of this, the value still remains the same. We don't add anything to it. So when it's closer or greater than 5, we add plus 1 to that decimal number. So assuming I have 4.359728, and I want to round this to, let's say, 2 decimal places. To 2 decimal places, it means after this decimal point, I need to count the first 2 numbers. Now, in this case, the first number here is 3. The next number is 5. Now, these are the first 2 numbers we have. These are the number of decimal places I have here, 3 and 5. So 4.35. Now, the next number, which is 9, is it closer to 5? Or is it closer to 9 itself? Or is it closer to 3 to 1, which is the 0? So we watch, the 9 is closer to what? 9 over here, which is, so we are going to add plus 1 to this 5. So for, let's say, 2 decimal places, 1, 2, the number becomes 4.3, and we add 1 to this, which is what? 6. So 4.36, this becomes what? Our answer to 2 decimal places. If I have 4.359728, and I want to round this to, let's say, 3 decimal places. Now, to 3 decimal places, it means I'm moving my decimal point 3 times. Okay? So I have 4 points. The value is not changing. So I have 4.123. Now, the next number here is 7. And 7 is closer to what? 9. So we add plus 1 to it. Over here, we add plus 1 to this. So if we are having 4.359, now it becomes what? 4 point what? I'm adding 1 to the 9, which becomes 0 carry 1. So I have 6. So it becomes 4.360. So this is the same as 4.36. So to 3 decimal places, this is the same value of what? 4.36. 36, it becomes 359. We add 1 to it. It becomes 0 carry 1. We have 6. So it's 4.360. But the 0 is not needed. It's the same as what? 4.36. So let's take some more examples. So for example, if I have 23.4728 and I want to round this to, let's say, 2 decimal places. So to 2 decimal places, meaning I move my decimal point twice. Okay? So I'll have 23 point, the first decimal point is 4, the next one is 7. Now, in this case, this 2, is it closer to 9, 5, or is it greater than 5? You ask yourself, is it greater than 5? No, it's less. So this is closer to 0. So we still don't add anything to it. It becomes 23.47. But assuming we want to round this to 3 decimal places, this same number, 23.4728, I want to round it to 3 decimal places. So I move 1, 2, 3. So this becomes 23.47. Now the 8 here, is it greater than 5? If yes, we add 1 to it. So it becomes 23.473. So That is our decimal point. So if I have 0.2 or 0.345792, and I want to round this to, let's say, 4 decimal places. So I will have 1, 2, 3, 4. So the number here 9 is greater than 5. So we add 1 to this. So it becomes 0.3458 to 4 decimal places. So 1, 2, 3, 4. The next number 9 is greater than 5. So we add 1 to the 7. If we have 0.000576 and I want to round this to 4 decimal places, okay, again it becomes 1, 2, 3, 4. So the next number here is 7. 7 is greater than 5, so I add 1 to this. My final answer becomes 0.0006. So I'll give you some assignments and some quizzes to also try, and then you also learn how to do some more of it.